Alright, so now that sort of my initial excitement has gone down, I'm making this video for Zack. Basically just to show him around the little base I'm going to make. A little bit of the area, maybe room, planning to live in. As I said, at some point I'm going to get some twigs, branches, kind of leaves and whatnot and just kind of cover this hole with it. Right now I've just got the plank. Yeah, here it is. It's a fairly tight squeeze, but it's not too bad. And again, this is, I mean, don't you know what the hell that is? That's slabs, that is rock solid. But yeah, I can just it's a tight squeeze, but I'll just get through this little bit, it's alright. I've also got my torch and I've threw my sleeping bag and tent down here. I just have to be, yeah, there are torches. I have to be a bit careful down here because although the people that will even come down to this pit are very rare and few in between these little spruce and bushes. You can see that bit, you can clearly see down, so people will all come down, don't let it run about there too much because people again, they'll see me, they'll see my tent, they'll see the stuff. So I just kind of stick to this area. Although that's covered up, that's behind like fences and walls and whatnot, so no one can see if you're down there. Even under some light. And you can see there's, this here, the drop is like, I could jump down the reed, it's no problem. But you've got these kind of solid, like steel kind of stairs. Easy enough to get over. A bit harder with the phone to be fair, but it's still alright. Basically run up, don't you? Hands. As you can see, I've just kind of thrown the tent over. Watch off for now. Get a sleeping bag later, don't need to worry about it. Yeah, I can show you the two little rooms. I mean, you can see one of them over there now. And the other one is right here. And as you can see, these walls these are rock solid brick. If I can get in, again, you've got a good roof there. You've got, looks like a kind of floor area. It's a bit of a state now. Lots of rocks, kind of debris and stuff. But I can clear all this up. I can kind of set down boards, bed and whatnot. Little carpets, make it nice. Or again, you do just have the station platforms themselves, or indeed down there. Let's go head over to the other one now. I guess one's a bit more solid as well, but again, they're both in good condition. I was going to put my phone away so I can jump down and climb over. There we go. We get this little bit here. Can't really see much, to be fair. Torch isn't fully charged, so it's not great, but kind of big area there. Get these stairs. You've also got a kind of room up there, you should be able to see. I don't know what's through there. Might be completely blocked off, we can have a little look at that soon. Yeah, you've got this. Very similar to the next one. Just a kind of little area. Seems like someone's made a fire here actually. Could do better than that. And similar kind of thing. And that's 100% solid, so don't worry about the roof. But yeah, that's basically it. You've got the kind of station itself, which is a more than a long enough platform. If I had to choose somewhere, I'd probably choose kind of about here to sleep. Again, you can see there's not even any fences at this bit. There's basically zero chance anyone looking over that. It's properly like walled off, fenced off at the sides of it. So this would be a nice enough place to kind of sleep, get a little bed down here, get a tent down here, if you weren't to use the rooms. So again, there's well more than enough options. Again, it's dry, there's zero chance of rain or the elements. It could be, I mean, the temperatures down here is great. It could be -5 or 30 up there. You'd barely feel it, fully insulated. But yeah. I think with that I'm just going to finish the video because I'm rambling a bit, and I'm just going to look about, see if I can see anything else, but I do think that this is basically the extent of it. Again, you've got the, use a torch, you've got the little room over there and room over here. Again, not in the best condition, but once they're kind of flattened out, again, you really can't see them properly because of the lighting, but once they're flattened out, they'll be absolutely fine. Or if you are worried about asbestos, as she says, again, you can kind of camp away a bit, just in the platform. But it seems perfectly fine, not having any problem with breathing or anything. It's just a normal building, basically. Just quiet.